Good morning, everybody. Currently not the best kind of day outside today, but not a big deal. I'm going down there because I was going down there anyways to help Corey to put in the pump tank because Cody wasn't around. Too many guys with the first name that starts with C here. Cody, Connor, Corey, it's crazy. Anyways, I'm going down there to help him with the pump tank, install it, film the whole process. Hopefully I get to stay dry in the machine and I can get Cody and Corey out getting wet. But we're gonna go do that, so I'll catch you guys down there. All right, made it here to site. Cody just said why he was late this morning. He said he was looking for allergy meds. So let's go ask him what kind of allergy meds that he was looking for 45 minutes. This is it here. As you can see, that's why he didn't put A over top of it, because like you said, the truck comes in and out and it just keeps kind of wrecking it. But so that was the septic we just finished. And then this is the new septic here. Side by side, right beside each other. It was perfect. There he is. Hey Cody, did you find your allergy meds or what? Oh yeah? I was just telling everybody that Cody was a little late. What? Allergy meds?
Yes, I have bad allergies.
Hey, you fucking bullshitter.
No, that ain't bullshit.
I was on my way here to come here and take over your job, make it work. Then you showed up. All right, they're doing a pump tank. You guys have seen these before on, I think, our septic tank install video.
So we got these risers down here. I'm gonna replace this lid with those risers. They do a better seal, keep everything in.
Okay.
And then I'm probably gonna have to put a new pipe in this tank because it's a 3-inch and I'm going 4-inch and my filter's 4-inch.
So this is the old existing tank that we're still using.
We're still keeping.
Yeah, we didn't take out this tank.
So still in good shape, not rotting out. New pump chamber.
Yeah, 450 liter, eh, from Boy Bros?
Yeah, same as our other video that we did.
So then these are the new lids?
These are the risers that'll go on the existing
Okay,
tank.
risers.
And then inlet come in, force main out to our bed.
Are we doing this one?
No, I can't.
I was gonna say, that doesn't look too fun.
No, I think I'm just gonna put a piece of styrofoam over it and then we'll topsoil it.
Yeah. Oh. Jeez, you don't have to yell. So we're gonna be digging the force main. Why is it called a force main and what is a force main? Let's explain that real quick. So it's coming out of the outlet of this. So what's in this tank? Explain basically from the tank into there.
Tank it's probably a 4/10 horsepower pump because of the head that we have.
With an effluent pump, like we explained in the septic video.
Exactly.
We'll
the
link
size
that
of the pump
here.
depends on how much it has to raise your effluent. So it depends on how high your bed is. In this case, it's not too high. So I imagine it's a 4/10 horsepower pump. And a force main is anytime you have a line that's being pumped, so it's under a bit of pressure, the water's being forced in a direction, which is why we call it a force main. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna dig this over to our bed, and I'm actually gonna have to grade it back down to my tank. So every time the pump shuts off, that line will drain back into the tank. It will never hold water, and then you never have to worry about freezing.
Nice.
But just as a little bit of insurance, we will throw some insulation boards on top of it. Not super necessary if the water's out of the pipe, but better safe than sorry.
Hopefully you guys got a good angle back there. I don't know. Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry guys.
Uh-oh. Corey's job after hours.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
Corey's roughing it out here working with Cody. I feel bad, man. I don't know, Cody. Cody's looking for a job, guys. If anybody's hiring. I'm just kidding. Don't steal Cody. This is the old Clearstone. How old is this system?
The existing?
Yeah.
Probably like 25, 30 years.
Yeah.
But basically, when we're talking about good bacteria and such, anything living, even bacteria, needs oxygen to survive. As soon as things get plugged and start flooding with water, there's no oxygen supply, your bacteria dies, the breakdown stops, and then that's when your field stops. That's why they call it anabolic. I think that's the right word. You might want to do some checking.
Want to do
there.
some Google fact
It's
checks?
an anabolic system because it needs oxygen to work.
I'll add in a blurb of me right now confirming that.
Anabolic.
Like anabolic steroids?
Yeah, oxygen. Like that. Those oxygenate your blood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that.
I think so. I don't know. I just know I take them every morning. Yeah.
I'll phone my buddy Lance.
Yeah. Oh, the low blows at Lance. Jeez. Poor Lance Armstrong. I mean, the guy did win fucking like, what was 100?
Tour de France.
Yeah, 140 Tour de France's. He's like 120 years old.
Testicular cancer.
Yeah, he's an animal. All right, so those guys are all good. Like I said, I was kind of just going down there because I wasn't sure if Cody was going to show up. He did. We got the force main all dug up, so they're actually just waiting on material now from staff to haul down to them. So what I'm gonna do is go down to Marival, and we'll go check up on Al, Ken, and Brad, and see how they're doing down there at the asphalt job. And they're doing some excavating and leveling out some granular A. So let's go check it out. All right, made it here back to Marival. This is the same site that you guys saw in the last video. If you haven't gone to see that, I'll put a link to it right here. But basically where we left off was this was just excavated. There's a little bit of material left. So what they did was they had these concrete guys come in, they poured this. There's a nice slope on it so that all the water will shed away. So that's what they did there. Al's here, he's on the phone right now. And we got Kenny who moved this grade stick for him. Kenny's he's pretty smooth in this. Nice. And I'm not even guiding him. He is really good on this machine. 308, it was a really good purchase for us. It's a really good machine. How's it going, Ken? Your brother was in the comments, Arthur. He goes, how come Ken hasn't been in the videos lately? I said, he's just working too hard. So Arthur, if you're watching, there you go. There's a little bit of Kenny for you. So they did all this area. That's one of the Packers. I guess we got it from Sunbelt. We don't normally get stuff from Sunbelt. We tried to use Battlefield, switch between Battlefield and then a couple other companies. But I guess Sunbelt, that actually looks pretty good. Sometimes with rental companies you get stuff and it doesn't really look the best. But Kenny's grading up all this. He's doing a fantastic job of it. I'll probably grab a bit of rake and just give him a hand and just level this stuff out. doing is he's marking. Needs to come up a little bit, Al. 2 4 kind of everywhere. +2, +2, +5. Nice.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression, it's all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it.
Alright, so we got all this ended up, graded all up. I'm heading out. I have a meeting that I gotta go to at noon. Al, I'll see you later, dude. Alright, Al's got this covered. We'll say goodbye to Kenny. See you later, Ken.
Later, guys.
Alright. And the sun's shining now. Let that sun shine down on me, one. Beautiful. All right, let's go to this meeting, get her done, and maybe we'll get some kombucha for lunch. All right, made it to my meeting. Just wrapped up a killer workout. If you missed, I went live on Instagram while I was running, and it was a really awesome time. A lot of you kind of true patriots of the channel were in there, rocking it, commenting, loved it. I'm gonna see you guys in a little under 12 hours for another work day tomorrow morning. I feel like I'm pitching you guys a deal. Sorry for doing another video. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. We're gonna work hard, we're gonna get up early, and it's gonna be a killer day. See you in the morning. Yo! I told you guys I was gonna see you in the morning, and that's what we're doing. So right now it's 6:15 in the morning. I'm headed to the yard, go get the boys, go see all the guys. Then what I'm gonna do is grab a trailer, go pick up my four-wheeler. And I think what we're gonna do is we have a job that has a big area of topsoil that needs to be kind of leveled out and loosened up a bit before we throw some seed on it. And generally when we do that, we actually use my four-wheeler because we have an old topsoil screen that we cut in half because it's nice and heavy, and we just drag it behind, and it actually works awesome as a drag. So you guys are gonna get to see that today. It's pretty fun. It's definitely probably one of the most fun things I get to do is rip around on my four-wheeler. But let's go to the yard, and then I'll see you guys whenever we're picking up the four-wheeler. It's gonna be an awesome day. Today's Thursday. One more day till Friday for all the guys. See you in a bit. All right, we gotta put seed down first. Clean you guys off. Oh, hello.
My turn, my turn, my turn! My turn, my turn!
Well, the fan's running, so you know that she's working hard. All right, strap it up, and I'll show you guys how it turned out. All right, well, this turned out pretty good. You guys can see the seed all in it. Put, I think there was like 4 or 5 bags on this, 3 to 4 bags on this of seed. And ripped around on the bike with it. That worked well. And all that was just a chunk of the screen, the old screener that popped a hole in it. So we reused everything at the yard.
Hi there. Good morning. What can I get you today?
Can I get a medium double-double? A medium decaf double-double?
Double.
A medium black? You can just hang out on site. Hang out on site until they need to know, if they need to know they need more topsoil. Because then when they're done, they need TA. What do they call it? Whoa, you gave it back.
You didn't give it back?
Thanks. I'll figure out my balance later, it's fine.
I'll just guess on the balance. All right. Well, thank you for the guy who dumped clean fill at our yard for the Tim Hortons card. You bought us all some farmer's wraps today and everything.
And muffins. Some muffins.
All right, let's go.
You get a little Chipotle up there?
Yeah, let's go back to the yard. Woo.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Inside the fucking truck.
All right, bike's back now. We'll be back at the yard. Gave it a bit of a clean up. Al's over there scraping. There's Corey. Finished up a job. It's on our Instagram stories. Go over there, check it out at KWC 2000. But that was kind of 2 days wrapped up into one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate you for watching the entire video. And make sure that you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watched this entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Level it. Why level it? Because we were leveling out all that topsoil today with the Can-Am, and it did an awesome job. So if you watch the entire video, comment down below, level it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have an awesome, awesome weekend.